Yo guys, this is Benji FX and welcome to another day, another section, another week. So if you check this chart, you see that this is a this is a weekly time frame, and I'm trying to see if there's how I can have a daily bias for my trade. And looking here, I can see that this is an impulsive move. This is an impulsive move. You see this? This is an impulsive move, and despite the market took out this buy side liquidity, that doesn't mean that this retracement means that the market is going to be going down. It means that the market can still move forward, and for me to start violating, like, okay, start changing my direction, that means that the market have to violate this true fair value gap here. If not, I'm still bullish. So going to the daily time frame. This is, I can see the market really made a change in state of delivery. Like it forms another block, and not just that, it forms it at a very liquidity area. So before Monday, this is Monday trading. So before Monday, I was already anticipating that, okay, maybe there's gonna be a down movement. But when I checked the weekly time frame, the market was bullish, right? So now, seeing this Monday, that this Monday is a very, very big candle, it really tells me that the market's really respecting this weekly fair value gap, right? So I don't really like the way the market is respecting this very fair value gap actually. And but trading on, so I don't trade Monday, I use Monday as a settlement, and seeing how the market is really rejecting here, I don't like it. But still yet, we can see that the market is somehow maybe rejecting to the upside. So from Tuesday, the market should be clear to trade. So let's go into EU. Now for EU, we can see that there's another block. The market violated, close above, and Monday did what? Monday closed below this other block back, which is really indicating that the market is really going to the upside, to the downside. And seeing this other block here, I don't like it, and you can see it's really respecting it. So but I still think the market should really move down from here. But if the market moves up, then I think it's gonna try to fill here. Alright guys, this is already night. We check the time, it's around 6:26 p.m. So I was very busy, but I was just in my chats, just checking my phones to see if I can see any good chat. But I took one loss, and the second one I'm still in a trade, which I'm gonna show you guys. And the funniest thing is that I took first loss, and the market just it took me out and went straight to my direction. And the second one, which I'm in now, and it's still not moving my direction. So let's see. We're in the month of December, but we move. If you set up present, just go in there, hit it, bro. Um, as you can see, I've taken two losses. So bad. This first one, I entered this closure of this black candle, and took me out. Boom, then went straight to my direction and went back. So when this kind of a thing happens, I'll be like, okay, maybe the market, I was thinking, okay, maybe this was a stop run that this one took, and maybe if it comes to this other block, then I can sell again, maybe move it down to here, or potential this place. But as you can see, the market went up a little bit, came back, and boom,
took me out second time. So two losses on Tuesday. Actually, this Tuesday I was really doubting because I don't understand. Even any the person that can be profitable is that can make money from this market as a day trader is only I can say maybe someone who was in a buy move from London section. If you kind of a person that trade in New York, it's gonna be bad because let's say you were buying here, it's gonna take you out, boom, right? So even here, you will not even see entry. It's still the same thing. So actually, Tuesday was not good, and yeah, we'll try tomorrow. Let's see. So my bias for tomorrow, I don't understand. So let's check my bias for tomorrow. My bias for tomorrow, I am. To me, I can see the market is expecting this other block. Actually, this fair value gap, and it's rejecting. But let's see. I I can't say for now. I want this black candle to close below this, so because all this will turn to another block. So if it close below this other block, I know okay now the market is gonna move down. So that's what is really going through my mind. For me to be a buying, for me to buy, let this black candle close at least outside this other block. This is a change state of delivery. So I call it change state of delivery because it changed from the buy move to the sell move, right? So for us to skip first, us to start selling and respect this fair value gap, then yeah, just like this candle, I want it to really let it close below it. So no, okay, yeah, it's respecting it, right? So I want to show you my trade recap and what I anticipated. Like I said on Tuesday before the market comes around. So on Tuesday I said I want the market. I want this Tuesday to close below this um, other block, like it's in other block people call it. But I didn't close below it. Instead, it rejected back and close inside this silver gap. So me looking at it, so I was thinking, okay, maybe this should be maybe a swing low that the market is respecting this weekly fair value gap to move to the upside. So I was targeting this money high potential, this fair value gap of Phoebe value balance, and so yeah, I was bullish DXY, so automatically I have a bearish uh, currency. So going to the currency, I was seeing that the market was still below this other block. So I was thinking that maybe this should be a potential draw on liquidity, and also you can see it was the respected here, and this is also another block. So I was bearish. Then so let's go to the 15 minutes to save for time. Um, London section went down straight, no barrier at all to it. So coming back to New York, it retraced back. Then I measured from high to low, came back to 50%. Then I saw an entry. Then I entered. So I was targeting this 4 hours buy side liquidity. If it was, yeah, can you see? 4 hours buy side liquidity, and so which is around 2.9 hour because my normal hour is 2 hour, right? So I marked this out, which was not up to 2 hours, so I move it to the next TP. So that's what I do.
So my normal tip is to have if it's not aligned with my liquidities, I'll either extend it. So sometimes my RR will not be 2 hours, maybe more than 2 hours, so many times. So that's how I trade. So instead of 2 hours, it's supposed to be 2.93 that will have been taken out of the market, but the market didn't give me. It went down just to clear out the liquidity in this imbalance, and the high sellers took it up straight up like that. But now the market still rejecting that number. And then if you see the time now, it's 3:30 a.m. Nigerian time, so that's when I'm doing this video because I don't have time to. I'm always busy at work because I'm doing 9 to 5 job. So there's a sustain till trading works out. So yeah, so it took me out of breaking point. Going back to DXY for my Thursday trade recap, you can see that the market is really rejecting this fair value gap. It's really rejecting this fair value gap. Monday rejected it. Tuesday they rejected, but Wednesday rejected it. So if I'm going to be trading, my bias will be what? My bias will be to the downside. Actually, my bias will be to the downside. So my bias will be to the downside. So I'll be looking for bearish move on DXY for Thursday. Right, and if you check out the news on Thursday, you'll see that we have 830 on the point things, which is also good. So let's see for EU. So now on EU, that is why I don't like this. EU still bearish regardless. You can see that it made a lower low, and the tracing this like it's making higher low, or a lower high. So this high is lower than this, so I think it's going to be higher low. So I'm looking a bearish move for EU, right? So I don't like being bearish on DXY and also being bearish on EU. It doesn't make sense. If DXY is bullish, currency should be bearish. If currency is bullish, DXY should be bearish. So I don't want, especially EU and DXY, I don't like it being the same bias alignment. I just like it to be opposite. Let it show each other, right? So let's go to GU, right? So now GU really looks so bullish, right? You can see that it's also respecting the bullish fair value gap. Monday respected it, Tuesday respected it, Wednesday also respected it, and even you can see the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap, it also respected it. Everything also aligned for GU. So I'm looking to target this high, which makes sense. Yo guys, so this is my trade recap, and yeah. So today, like on my analysis, I said I was bullish EU then bearish DXY. So I was not really interested in EU, right, because of the price action on the daily time frame. So I I was trying to position myself on G, right. What happened was that I trade New York, right, which was around this zone, this black candle. So I marked this up that I want to be buying. So, but because of greed, emotion, normally I should have waited for a new, maybe like other block, which was here. Then I should position myself for the buy move, right? But because of I want to make money, I want to make money, make money, then I messed up by entering, yeah, and the market came down and took me out, right. So it's really annoying, right. So then I was still looking at, I'm still bullish currency regardless. Maybe that's because of my entry was not really positioned well. So I went back to EU and I saw that okay, this 715 that took me out, this 715 that took me out on GU did not take this low out, right. So it did not take anybody here out. So I'll be like, okay, I think this is an SMT. If this turns to another block, that's change state of delivery, the market close above it, and I say okay, I'll position myself for an entry back for a bullish move. Then I entered here and target 2 hour 2 hour trade, and it was really fun. That's around 2.11. It was around 2.11, 2.16. Then the market hit it. It was not even long. You see that I mark out 830. I was trying to see if 830 can just go in there and just give me it's my TP, then can do anything it likes. And behold, it just flew from that 830 and hit my target immediately. So I just went out from the trade. So I was not really interested in entry on EU, but seeing how this SMT app occurs, then I just be like, okay, yeah, this is the buy, this is a good trade. Let me just take advantage of it, and boom, the market came and unemployment claim also by 830 news went straight to my TP. So guys, so today, so I can my trade recap for Friday. It's likely I won't be trading. So my trade recap for Friday is looking at this. I want the black candle to remain at this and even go down more if it's like for me to prove that okay, the market is likely to wait for this sell side liquidity before it go back to anywhere it likes, right? So that is what I'm anticipating. So tomorrow I will still be looking for a bearish move. If this candle remains at this or even goes down, if it doesn't, I won't be trading. I won't be trading at all. Serious. So guys, let us say. So let me see for EU and GU, and we're gonna wrap things up. So you see that the market now is now closing above this change state of delivery, and it will maybe this, if you measure this body, it will be above this mid threshold. I think it's supposed to be at the mid threshold almost, right. So it gives room that this high and this high is likely to be the draw, and these two highs are equal highs. So that is it about it. So let me check for GU. So GU, oh, Friday is NFP. I am not trading. Seriously, or after NFP, then I'm not trading. Those kind of news, NFP, CPI, FOMC, I don't trade. So, GU already hit his own targets, and remaining EU to reach EU and DXY to reach for their target. But Fridays, NFP, I won't be trading. So, guys, well, I've told you my own bias. I'm bearish DXY, bullish currency. So, alright, guys.